What if understanding child support in New Jersey could make an overwhelming situation feel a little clearer? Child support is not simply a punishment for one parent or a reward for another. It is a financial responsibility intended to help meet a child's everyday needs, including housing, food, clothing, education, medical care, and other costs of growing up. In this video, we'll explain how New Jersey child support is generally calculated, what expenses may be added, how parenting time can affect the calculation, what happens when circumstances change, and what parents should know about enforcement. This is general educational information, not legal advice. Laws, court orders, and family circumstances vary, so consider speaking with a qualified New Jersey family law professional about your situation. New Jersey generally calculates support using the state's child support guidelines. The guidelines use financial information from both parents, not just one parent's paycheck. The calculation may consider each parent's income, taxes, allowable deductions, the number of children, health insurance costs, work-related childcare expenses, and the parenting time arrangement. That last point matters. Child support is connected to the child's needs and to how those needs are shared between the parents. The parent providing more day-to-day care may have different household expenses than the other parent. But parenting time does not automatically erase support, and equal parenting time does not always mean that no support is owed. The result depends on the complete financial and parenting picture. The worksheet is only as accurate as the information provided. Income may include salary, self-employment income, bonuses, commissions, unemployment benefits, investment income, or other resources depending on the circumstances. If a parent is voluntarily unemployed or underemployed, the court may examine whether income should be imputed. That decision is fact-specific, so parents should document the real circumstances instead of assuming one number will settle the issue. The basic guideline amount is only part of the calculation. New Jersey may also address reasonable work-related childcare costs, health insurance premiums for the child, predictable unreimbursed medical expenses, and certain extraordinary expenses. Older children may have education, transportation, or special needs costs requiring additional consideration. This is why two families with the same number of children may receive very different results. Their incomes, insurance costs, childcare needs, medical expenses, and parenting schedules may not be the same. What if a parent cannot pay? The first step is not to simply stop making payments. Missed payments can create arrears, and arrears may continue even when finances become difficult. If there has been a substantial change in circumstances, such as job loss, a major income change, a significant change in parenting time, or new needs for the child, a parent may ask the court to review or modify the order. Until a court changes it, the existing order generally remains in effect. Gather pay stubs, tax returns, proof of insurance costs, childcare receipts, medical bills, employment records, and parenting time documentation. Keep copies of court orders and payment records. Clear records make it easier to show what changed and when. New Jersey also has systems for collecting and enforcing support. Court-ordered child support is generally subject to income withholding, meaning payments can be deducted from wages or other income sources. New Jersey Child Support Services can help establish an order, process payments, locate a parent, address health care, and pursue enforcement. If you change jobs or your contact information changes, update the appropriate records so payments and notices are not disrupted. Child support and custody are related, but they are not the same issue. A support disagreement does not automatically decide parenting time, and parenting time problems should not be handled by withholding support. Each issue should be addressed through the proper legal process with the child's well-being at the center. Support questions can also arise as a child gets older. New Jersey cases may involve emancipation, continued education, disability, or other facts requiring careful review. Do not assume support ends automatically on a particular birthday. Read the order and obtain current guidance before stopping or changing payments. The most useful preparation is simple. Read the order carefully, keep financial records, communicate in writing when appropriate, and respond promptly to court or probation notices. If you are unsure whether a change qualifies for modification or how a payment issue affects your case, seek advice before taking action. For more information, visit the New Jersey Court's Child Support Resources and the official New Jersey Child Support website. The Legal Assistance Center may also help you identify next steps and discuss your questions. This video is for general educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Accurate information, complete records, and timely action can help protect both your rights and your child's needs.